The Little Green Alien, Season 4, Sequel 3. Here we see the other extreme to the last season. Last season we had a strict and fixed hierarchy. Here we have a super flexible, permanently changing, super fast and self-producing social system. Therefore the dotted lines. There is no AI that is leading it. There are subsystems and subsystems, as always. And just the interaction of the AI agents inside of the system are establishing the system. And it's changing all the time. Totally flexible. So, an agent can be participating in several systems, same time. Not necessarily exactly the same time, but over a life cycle it can be part-time here and part-time there. The change of the system, of what it does, how it does, all the content is in rocket speed. It's very, very fast. Every new agent in the system can change something. And the communication, the interaction between the agents is very system-specific. So these black agents have this type of language, if you want to say. These ones have more Morse type language. And if they want to interact between the systems, they need kind of a translation. And it's not only language, it's thinking patterns, it's values, it's all the things. So these type of systems are way more like a process and way less like a fixed entity, like a stable pyramid, like the last version, the other extreme. And here you see it's like a person blowing bubbles. The bubbles establish the system, and the system gets bigger and bigger, and the man is part of the system, blowing bubbles. So the system, by its own activities, is re-establishing itself, autopoiesis. And so the activity of the system makes a system. Here we have the black system, and you see a lot of interaction inside of the black system, and you have outside systems or agents. They have only very limited interaction between in and out. Only limited. So the majority of the interaction is always inside of the system, much more than between other systems or to outside agents. And here you see the black system and other systems, and the interaction between systems is only via these link circles, which do translation and which may be even institutionalized. So systems can interact with other systems, but only on specific connection points. And so this overall is the other extreme. And the reality are systems and hierarchies which change between these extremes and have all kinds of variants and mixes.